Good day guys and welcome back to the channel. So on today's video I'll be showing you how to make money from Bybit copy trading. There's a lot of ways to make money on the Bybit app, but copy trading is one of the easiest and most stress-free way to make money on this app. So I'll be breaking down everything you need to know about Bybit copy trading. I'll be showing you how to copy trade from top master traders so you won't lose your profits and your capital. I'll show you a way to make $100 from Bybit coverage at the end of this video. So better stick to this video and watch it to the end. So if you haven't liked this channel, please like, subscribe and share. So let's get into it. Now to get to the copy trading page, click on more, click on trade, select copy trading. So here is the copy trading page. There are different copy traders as you can see, but let's explain quickly what copy trading is. Copy trading basically means copying trades of professional traders. So when they make profit, you are making profit, and when they make a loss, you're already losing your money as well. So to make the best out of copy trading, you have to pick the best copy traders. That's why you need to watch this video to the end, because I'll be showing you how to pick the best copy trader for you. So I feel like copy trading is one of the best ways to make money from the crypto market, because you don't have to do any technical analysis, you don't have to do any fundamental analysis. You just have to copy the professional traders, and when they make profit, you're in profit, and that's very simple and straightforward. So if you are like a busy type, you just on your phone copy the trades and you make profit at the end of each month or each day, and that's basically how it works. So watch the video to the end, because I will show you how to pick the best copy traders and top master traders for you. Now let's get to it. So to select a professional trader or a master trader, there are various options on this page. You can see the top balance traders, top ROI traders, top intraday traders. I'm taking this one by one. So what are the top balance traders? These top balance traders are those traders that don't try to make much profit, they don't try to make much loss, they try to balance every aspect of trading. And I think for me, I think they are the very best. I don't know for you, but today you find out the one for you. Now these top balance traders, they try to maintain or try not to lose their portfolio at any given time. So they try to make more profits but risking lesser. You understand? So they maximize every aspect of trading. That's why they are called top balance traders. As you can see, the first one, he has in the last 30 days, the ROI in the last 30 days is 719%, and the drawdown is 0%. So these are conservative traders. They try to make more profits while risking less. They risk lesser than others. They try to balance that. Now you can see the second person, 100% profit in the last 30 days, with a drawdown of 4%, and the third person, 77% profit in the last 30 days with a drawdown of 8%. So these balance traders try to uh, minimize the risks they take. So in the long run, they are making more money but risking less. Now let's go to the next one, the top ROI. So the top ROI are traders that have earned the highest ROI in the last 7 days. These are traders that are going all in. You understand? These people make much ROI within a shorter period of time, unlike the other ones that are more conservative. So if you are interested in making more money, I think in a very shorter period, these people are for you. You can see this first one, 2,557% in the last 7 days. Bro, that's crazy. With a drawdown of 4%, that's very interesting. You understand? ROI in the next 30 days, 128. That's 23%. That's okay. Then this one, 2,167% with a drawdown of 0.3%. Bro, this is crazy. 1,200. So you get the gist. These people make more ROI in a shorter amount of time. And the next one in the next category is top intraday traders. So I find these intraday traders to be on this list is because they have a win rate of over 20% in the last 7 days, and they have over 20% ROI as well in the last 7 days. So you need to have over 20% in the last 7 days and over 20% win rate in the last 7 days as well. So you can see the first one, 57%, the win rate is 98%. So these ones are calculated by the win rate and not the drawdown. You understand? So the win rate should be higher for you to higher than 20% to qualify to be a top interest rate trader. Sorry. So now to the next category, you have the top new talents. And basically, these new traders, as the name implies, new traders with high profit and low drawdown. So volatility ROI 10%, 0% drawdown, 81% profit in the last ROI in the last 7 days. That's interesting. ROI in the last 7 days is 64%, 56%. So you can see these ones are the new traders on board. Now they have this one boosted traders. Follow boosted trader and get extra 10% in bonuses on your investment up to $50. Because these traders don't make much profit, you can see honestly. The ROI in the last 7 days is 16% with a 60% drawdown. That's crazy, bro. Then you have 60% with a 0.3%, 0.35% drawdown, then 10%, and they are not even much here. So these basically are traders where you follow, you get a extra 10% bonus on your investment up to $50 as well. So now you have the highest follower profit. These are traders that make profit for their followers. Traders that have earned highest profit in USDT for followers. So you can see these ones 8% with ROI of 38% in the last 90 days with 0.35% drawdown, 15% drawdown with 98% profit in the last 30 days. So these are traders you follow that have made money for their followers. You understand? Now you have lowest drawdown. So to be able to be here, you have to have the max drawdown of 20% in the last 30 days. So anything above 20% drawdown, anything above 20% drawdown, you are not qualified to be here. So you can see the first one is 6% drawdown in 30 days with ROI of 100% in 90 days. Now this one is 70%. Once this one reaches 20% drawdown, it's out of here. So he has 188% profit. ROI in the last 30 days. So that's basically how this works. Remember, I told you I will help you to pick the best one for you. So if you are the type that wants a conservative type of trade, you don't want to make more profit, you don't want to lose much money as well, top traders are for you. Top ROI, if you need to make that buck very fast, top traders are for you. Top intraday traders. So if you want those that have at least 20% ROI and a win rate of more than 20% as well, then these are for you. So very various strokes for different folks. Now I'll show another way to pick the traders if this one is more complicated for you. So the second option or the second way just to filter it out is going to this all trades here. Click all trades. Now select available master traders, because remember some of these master traders might be filled up. You understand, they have a limit they can accept to trade with. You understand. So first thing is to select available master traders. Then we are looking at going to this area filter, so we select more options. Now data range, I mean date range, sorry, you have to pick from 7 day, 30 day or 90 day. Now 7 day doesn't give you enough data to pick a trader, so it's not recommended. Now you have to go to the second option, which is 30 day. 30 day gives you a more broader perspective to show you how profitable these traders have been. The 90 days is when you try, maybe you want to stick with this person for a longer period of time, then you can go for the 90 days to see their data in the last 90 days. Now you are selecting 30 day because it's more reasonable for what you are looking for. Now they have the master trader rank, they have the cadet, they have the bronze, silver, gold. You select each one you want based on what you're looking for. If you're looking for the new traders, they are new in the game, maybe hot blood, but not yet experienced like that, then you select the cadets. But if you are looking for those that have, they are new but have a little bit of experience, they know what to do, what they are doing, then bronze. Then if you are looking at the professional traders, those that are more professional, that know what they are doing, then the silver. But if you're looking at the top OGs, that's the top big guns that make more, they are more experienced, they are old hands, then you select the gold. Now I won't be selecting any options, so I will keep it neutral. You understand? Then we have the all master traders. So remember what we talked about in the first part of this. You have the top ROI, all master trader, top balance traders, top new talents, highest follower profit, lowest drawdown, top intraday traders. Now this is where you pick the one that you feel it aligns with what you are looking for. So if you are looking to make much profits in a shorter period of time, you select the top ROI traders. If you are looking at a balanced, a more conservative way to make money, you don't need much profit, you don't want to risk your portfolio at all, then you select the top balance traders. If you are looking at trying out new stuff, then you select the top new talents. Highest follower profit are those that make more profit for their followers, then you select that one. Lowest drawdown, if you don't want to lose at all, you are sure, you want to be sure that these people won't have a drawdown lower than 20% at any given time, then you select those people. And that's how you just select the one that suits for you. I will explain this, you can go back and check the explanations as well. Then you select these people and you go ahead and pick one. Now for the purpose of this video, you will be selecting at least two options, you understand. For me, I think I will be going with the top ROI and top, let me select the top ROI, then I'll select the lowest drawdown, because these two are almost the same thing as the top balance traders, um they are making more profit, they are taking more risks, but as well they have a low drawdown of 20%. So these two works for me at this point. So let me confirm. Now you can select the country, but why I won't be selecting the country, it limits the type of traders that come up. So it's better I just leave it unchecked, you understand, to just give more room for more people, you understand. So it doesn't really matter the country. Now they have master trader badge. In case you don't know, they give badges to traders based on some certain milestones they achieve, you understand. They have top profit, stable, sync, master on, top ROI, win streak. I think you have to pick here the one that you think is most important, because this as well is not that important, because not all good traders receive badges, but you want something that makes them stand out. Like for instance, winning streak is something that you need to know. So you know that this trader is a consistent trader which wins a lot, even if he has a bad days sometimes, you understand, like everybody does, but he has winning streak attributes as well. So let's select this and go ahead and confirm. Now, based on what we have chosen, what we picked, we have filtered out a lot of people, and this is options we have left with. Remember, we made the option broad so we can have more people. So now these are the options we are left with. We have to make an option, you understand. So you can see the first one has top profits, has stable, and has win streak attributes. So in the last 30 days he has 43% with a win rate of 97%, stability 5.0, 46 followers. So he's a newbie kind of, you understand. Yeah, that's nice. Then we have the second one, max level. Then he has the last 30 days 98%. Wow, 30 days in the stability 4 points. Yeah, followers 977. That's okay. Then you have the 16% with the win streak 96%. So if you can see something here, you see that these people that are selected have a win rate of over 96%, 95%, basically over 90%. You can only this one has 77% win streak, but the rest are having a very high win rate and streaks as well. So you just have to select one. Let's select this one. Okay, win streak stable, high frequency, stability index 5.0, win rates at last 30 days is 93%, has 800 followers, 90% in 30 days ROI. So let's go with this guy. Let's check how much the minimum is. I think this is what we will be looking at for as well. The minimum amount you can invest. This is $300. Let's look for $100. Let me go with this first guy, Max. Okay, 30-day drawdown. Sorry, 30-day RI. 98% win rate, 96%, 4.0 index, 900 followers. So we'll be going with this guy. I believe this one will be more like $100. So yeah. Based on your budget, you can select whoever you want to go with. I should mention that as well. So this guy will be going with this $100. Now, to go ahead, you have to select here this option, more settings. You can see take profit, stop loss, max daily position limit, max position margin, copy, and other stuff. So let me not overwhelm you. Let me break this down bit by bit. So first things first is to select here, click this follow master trader settings, then isolated margin. Click on isolated margin. Under isolated margin, a specific amount of margin, initial margin, is applied to a position, and the position margin can be adjusted manually. So once you select isolated margin, then you can see max position margin per contract. Now we'll be setting the max to be at $100. That's the maximum we are willing to risk per trade. Now, max daily position limits. So in a full day, even if he enters more than one trade, the maximum we are willing to risk is, let me put $500. So when our $500 is exhausted, we won't be entering any new trade. And to the next one, we have the stop loss. So we'll be setting it at 20%. This means when the trade is going bad, if we are losing 20% of our portfolio, the trade should automatically be stopped. Then we set the take profit at 40%. Remember, we are not being greedy and other stuff. So 40%. Now this means if our profits, if the trade is going well, our take profits should be at 40%. One day our profits, our portfolio reaches 40%, then the trade should be closed. So with a $100 wallets or portfolio, if we are losing 20%, we are losing $20. So if you are making 40%, we are making $40. That's basically how it works. So if the trade goes bad, we will lose $20. If the trade goes right, we are earning $40, and that's what we are okay with. Now these other settings and options are already set. Remember, you put your $100 if you have the amount here, then you click copy. Now remember, at the beginning of the video I told you I will show you how to get $100 from this Bybit for this purpose, you understand? So now you have to go back, but remember there is a trick to it as well. There's a trick to it. So let's get back, copy trading, let's see, load. So here it is, click this copy trading voucher. If your first copy trade order results in a loss after closing, you'll be compensated with trial funds, which will be credited to your rewards hub 3 days later. You will need to go to the rewards hub to manually claim the copy it. The copy trading protection voucher offers trial funds for trading, which cannot be withdrawn. However, the profit made with can be withdrawn. If you cease copying the master trader, the trial funds will be voided. Now, so click on claim. So we have successfully copied $100. New user exclusive, recover up to $100 on your first copy trade voucher. So basically you have received a $100 voucher for this purpose. Like, any loss we incur for the first $100 we are trading with will be voided. So they said you have successfully claimed. Now flow a master trader. So this $100 now will cover any loss you incur for your first trade. If you trade and you lose at least $100, it will be um covered by Bybit for free. But the $100 cannot be withdrawable. It's not withdrawable basically, but any profit you make from it can be withdrawn. That's basically how it works. So if you found this video interesting or helpful, if you have any questions, please drop on the comment section, and please do like, subscribe, and share this video to people that might be interested in this type of content. Yeah, let's go.